Disney Hulu Max. In today's video, you are going to learn how to get Disney Hulu Max bundle. So let's get started. The process is simple. For new subscriber, visit the Disney Plus, Hulu or Max website. Here choose the bundle plan you can get with ads for $16.99 per month and with no ads in just $29.9 per month. Then create or log into your account, enter payment details, billing starts immediately. For existing subscribers, just go to manage subscription on your current provider site. Then here select the Disney Plus, Hulu and Max bundle option. Your billing will be combined into 1 monthly payment. Then download or open the Disney Plus, Hulu or Max apps, log in using your bundle credentials. If Max does not show up through Hulu, open the Max app, select Hulu as your provider and log in again. Here are some points to note. No free trial is offered. You save around 40% compared to separate subscription. The bundle gives you all three service, one bill and multi-device streaming. And that's all. That's how you will be able to get Disney Hulu Max